move away from your circle of influence and try and think how this is going to be impactful for you. I'm going to play a small game. It's the easiest game for teachers to play, number one. I've hosted this for a lot of teachers, a lot of students. I play this with a lot of senior management. The entire next 2-3 slides I'm going to present to you. You'll see some mixed words there on your screen. I want you to put those words together, infer meaning out of it, and give me the name of a good phrase, a popularly used phrase that we use in our day-to-day life, like out of the box as a phrase that we use, which that image depicts. Let's do one quick example before we move on. See this image and give me the name of a phrase that this image leads you to. Again, one thumb rule, everybody. Put your hand up. Do not shout it. Let's play it fair. Do not shout it. It'll be even more exciting if you put your hand up. What's the phrase are we looking at?
Heart.
Please do not shout. Put your hand up. Put your hand up if you know.
Heart.
Sister.
Heart.
Heart? No.
H-A-R-T.
Madam. Earth? No. Madam. It's a phrase I'm looking at. A phrase should have multiple... Madam. Precisely. The phrase I'm looking at is down to earth. Down to earth. There's a little bit of innovative thinking to this. It's out of the box as I perceive it. Think differently about this whole puzzle. It will make your brain, the left brain, right brain, all more active, etc. and get your creative quotients going. And these are examples that I play with a lot of management students and what's preventing us from doing the same for our students. And that's the message I wanted you to leave. I'll go on with a few more examples before I move to the next slide. So please put your hand up and let's crack this. It will be even more exciting. Put your hand up. Madam here. Madam there. Black. Yeah. Precisely. The phrase is day in, day out. The word day is inserted inside day out. Day in, day out. Next one. Madam there at the end. Walk in the park. Precisely. Well done. A walk in the park. Well done. Easy.
Made in China.
Precisely, sister. Made in China. Made in China as a verb. Easy. Hand up, please. It can't be easy all the time. Give some credits to the quiz master. Madam, you got that right. It's half-hearted. The word hearted is being written only half. It's half-hearted. This is where you can actually give some credits to the quiz master. Well done, Murali. Next one. Easy. Madam there. No one to blame. Precisely. No one to blame. Well done. Next one. Let me see how many crack this. Madam?
Wide range. Wide range.
No.
Wide range.
No. Put your hand up,
Out
please.
of
Hand up and shout.
Out of range.
No range.
Out of range.
No. Madam there. You correct it. It's point blank range.
Oh, fine.
It's shooting. Point blank range. Well done. Let me see if you crack this. It has to get tougher as it gets along, right? Madam? Brilliant. Wrong answer. Evaders? No. Evaders? No. Put your hand up. This is not group discussion. Put your hand up. You need to earn your points very nicely, so don't let anybody else take credit. Anybody? Somebody still thinking? Oh, at last I cracked a very tough out of the box question. Madam? No, it's wrong.
Read.
This is the moment I love the most. Okay, the answer I'm looking at, obviously it's complicated, but then I thought the previous examples will help you sweat it out better. The answer, the phrase, it's a phrase, remember? So go back and think of a phrase which has got vaders or something in it. The space I'm looking at is space invaders.
Oh.
There's a space between VADERS. So there's a space invaders. That's the phrase I'm looking at. Next one. Put your hand up. Incorporate, wrong. Put your hand up, you're not following the rule, madam. As teachers, we are the first one to follow rules. Put your hand up, I can see 10 people shouting. Madam there. Yourself. Brilliant, wrong answer. Anybody else? Down the corporate ladder. No. Too much of a phrase, it becomes a sentence. Somebody sweating? Anybody? Yep. Huh? Descending corporate, no. Close enough. Incorporate, no. Same. Incorporate, no. Chalega. Somebody in the back, yes. No? I thought this is a term that all of you would love. You've preached about it, talked about it. No, madam. The answer I'm looking at is corporate downsizing.
Oh, yeah.
Corporate downsizing. Alright, it has to get tougher. That's how the game works, right? Crack this one. A phrase. Go back and think of a phrase that you'd use. Madam, yes. Winning streak, no. Look back and see a reference as to how this image can reflect it. Madam, there. Winning, easy. Nah. Madam, you're in the right direction. Think a little more. No win-win situation. She cracked it almost. I'm going to give you some credits to it. The answer is win with ease. A lot of ease after the word win. So it's win with ease. Next one, everybody. Give me this. Easy.
Family.
Hand up. Yes, madam.
Family fun.
Family tree. Where's the tree?
Why family?
Madam?
Family wise.
Family wives. Wives. No. No. Madam there, no? At the end? Family? Wise? No.
Why family?
Madam. Wi-Fi family. Where's 5? Smart answer. Nah. 5 Y's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That also is wrong. Please don't teach max. Growing family is no. You're close. Very close. Precisely. The answer is extended family. We have an extended family. Yes. So that's how you read this out of the box. Next one. Maybe 1 or 2 more. Crack this one and I'll make sure Dr. Ramesh gives you a prize. Tough one, but extreme high end of out of the box.
Up. Okay.
Wrong. Hand up. If you crack this, you win a prize. So make sure you crack it wisely. Put your hand up. Madam? Back up the Nile. You. The most complicated problems in life have the most easiest of solutions, madam. Like marriage. Don't ask me if marriage is the problem or the solution. Line up. No. Pile up. No, wrong. No group conversations. One person will be able to crack it. Somebody somewhere? I know it's tough. Shall I give it?
Line up.
We have other quizzes to play too.
Okay.
So the answer I'm looking at, obviously it's a complicated phrase and nobody will know it better than teachers. Oh, I completely forgot that.
Line up.
No, madam. Line up is as easy as that. But then we use this phrase. I'm sure most of you have used it in your teaching career.
Why?
No?
No.
Maybe we use it with smaller kids. No. The answer I'm looking at is line up in alphabet.